What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tote, and I'm back with another banger. Today I will be telling you guys how to cheat the credit system legally. Yes, how to cheat the credit system legally, man. I'm giving y'all this free game. I'm giving y'all these free gems. I'm just throwing it on you, man. Appreciate it for watching me. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe to this video. I'm back to back. I'm giving y'all bangers every day. Thanks for the ones that say tuned in to me. Thanks for the ones that send me DMs telling me about how y'all really enjoy all the free game I give. Those who got approved for the car, new Hellcat or whatever. Appreciate it. I see the love. For those that comment, I see your comments. I appreciate all the support and all the love. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get on topic. So, how to cheat the credit system legally. Some people that don't really know the credit game think that anyone that actually know a little something about credit or a little something about boosting scores and everything, they'll be like, oh, you doing fraud, or oh, you doing this other stuff. No, it's many different ways to actually work the credit game. You feel what I'm saying? So, how to cheat the credit system legally. Okay, so I'm giving you game now. Pay attention. Pay real close attention. If you have, okay, I'm gonna start with good credit. I'm gonna start with bad credit, because I know a lot of people watch trying to fix their credit, so bad credit. So how to cheat the credit system if you have bad credit. Okay, number one, find out if you have any late payments, find out what's your debt to income ratio, and find out your credit age. You feel what I'm saying? If you have any late payments, dispute them. Get them off your credit. Yes, it's legally to dispute your anything. You feel what I'm saying? Because legally, banks. Okay, so how the credit thing works? You have credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Okay, and you have companies that report things to that company, so they don't know if it's true or not. So if you have a late payment, or if you have something that's on your credit that just popped up, legally you could dispute the things off your credit. You feel what I'm saying? For collections, when account goes into a collection, basically it's companies that actually buy debt from other companies, which are collection companies. So collection companies, so say for instance, I have this bank card, or I have this bank, and I haven't paid. I have this credit card with this bank, and I haven't paid for months and months. The bank is not going to sit on that. So if I got this $500 card, you feel what I'm saying, I ain't paid it, and it's companies like collection companies, they'll go buy that from the bank for like $20, $30, and they'll report it on your credit as a collection, and then try to get you to pay them to get it off. You feel what I'm saying? That's how collection companies cost. That's why I don't know if anyone ever had a collection or settled a collection, when you call, they try to get at least something off of you. You feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, legally they don't know if this is you saying who you are that own this debt. They don't know that. So dispute that off your credit. Dispute that motherfucker till you can't dispute it no more. You feel what I'm saying? Because if I'm looking at my credit score in the credit bureau like Experian or Equifax or Credit Karma or TransUnion or whatever y'all look at your credit score at, if I'm reporting this on here, I mean, if they reporting this on here, and I know what I do, and I know what my credit report should be, I'm gonna keep disputing it. I'm gonna tell y'all, no, this is not true. Get this off of my credit. This is not true. No, get this off my credit. And I'm gonna keep disputing. You keep disputing. If you need letters and stuff, you can click the link in my description. There's different letters for like removing increases, different letters for removing collections. You say certain things for moving late payments and everything. Legally, it's a law legally about how to, the things you could do about moving with your credit, like legally. You know, you can't, like, even if someone really did identity theft on you or something like that, and it wasn't true, what you gonna do? Call them, hey, bro, this is not true. Please take this off my credit. Yeah, and they'll do that. That's legal. That's 100% legal. Dispute all the bad things off your credit. Dispute it. Get it off. Get it gone. If you have any bad things reporting on your credit, wipe it off. Go ahead and wipe that sucker off. You know what I'm saying? For all my people with good credit, only thing you need to do legally, and it's 100% fine, add your trade line. Add you about 2-3 trade lines on your credit. Go ahead and boost your credit score up. Legally, you can add trade lines on your credit legally. Yes, you can. You feel what I'm saying? Go ahead and add them trade lines on your credit. Go ahead and get that 800, 850 credit score and apply for American Express, apply for a different credit card. You feel what I'm saying? That's just easy peasy, simple stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Legally, you can do these things. Cheat the credit system this way. You feel what I'm saying? Banks want people that have good credit history. Banks want people that have good credit utilization. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, cheat the system legally. Y'all can do this. You feel what I'm saying? You can cheat your way up to $1 million in credit. If you know what you're doing, if you know the right things, yes, you can. You feel what I'm saying? That's just simple game right there, you know. Simple game, y'all. Dropping gems for y'all. Dropping gems all day, all night long. It's your boy Tok. Appreciate it for watching me. Appreciate it for getting active with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. I'm still dropping more videos for y'all. You know, I wanna hear y'all stories and stuff, man. If you have any questions, just let me know. You feel what I'm saying? I enjoy doing this, man. I enjoy because I actually studied this credit stuff for years and years and years and years. You feel what I'm saying? So let me know, man, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you try anything. I want to hear your testimonies, man. Just let me know. But the way to cheat the system in 2024, knock out all the late payments, knock out them collections, add some trade lines on your stuff, on your credit report, let that thing report, apply for a car, apply for a credit card, and do it over and over and over and over until you can't do it no more. Another way to cheat the credit system is when it comes to like buying a car, or if you know someone that has a good credit score or something like that, get them to co-sign for you. You feel what I'm saying? Let you make 6 payments. You feel what I'm saying? And then after you make 6 payments, refinance and put it in your name. You feel what I'm saying? These are ways to cheat the credit system legally. Have someone co-sign for this car, because 9 times out of 10, if you're a first-time buyer, they want to look at history. They want to figure out, like, okay, can I trust this dude? This is a car loan. Now, if someone already have history and someone already has like a good credit score or something, give them the co-sign for you. You feel what I'm saying? That's just a automatic boom boom. Banks look at that like, okay, he co-signed for him, so we gonna give him a shot. We gonna give her a shot. You feel what I'm saying? These are different ways you can cheat the credit system. You feel what I'm saying? Another way to cheat the credit system when applying for credit cards. If someone that trusts you or you trust someone, get them as a secondary user on the credit card. You feel what I'm saying? They may give you a higher amount. You feel what I'm saying? When you get in approved and stuff. These are ways to cheat the credit system. The game is not hard. You just gotta know what you're doing. You just gotta do your research, and you gotta know what you're doing. All this stuff is a computer. You feel what I'm saying? It's rules and laws to everything that this credit game do. You feel what I'm saying? You can be a millionaire in this credit stuff legally.